This award is the Judge Benjamin F. Shobe Civility and Professionalism Award. Both on and off the bench, this year's recipient of the award displays the courtesy, sincerity, and humility characteristic of the award's namesake. Judge Denise Clayton, Chief Judge of the Kentucky Court of Appeals, is a master of the Brandeis American Inn of Court, with whom the LBA joins in honoring her with this award. In so doing, we also recognize her service as a chair of Chief Justice's Commission on Racial Fairness, which works to eliminate racial bias in criminal sentencing, bail processes, and jury selection in Jefferson County trial courts. Judge Denise Clayton, I'm honored to recognize you as the 2020 recipient of the Judge Benjamin F. Shobe Civility and Professionalism Award. Thank you.
The Louis D. Brandeis American Inn of Court is very pleased to join with the Louisville Bar Association in conferring upon our colleague and fellow Inn Master, Chief Judge Denise Clayton, the Benjamin Shobe Civility and Professionalism Award for 2020. Judge Clayton is most deserving of this award. I knew Judge Shobe and practiced in front of him. He was a wonderful judge. He could be firm when he needed to be, but he was an icon of civility. Judge Clayton exhibits those same traits. She is a very accomplished person. She was a lawyer. She was a Jefferson District Judge, a Jefferson Circuit Judge, a Kentucky Court of Appeals Judge, and now Chief Judge of the Kentucky Court of Appeals. But she has also been other things. She has been a trailblazer. She has been an advocate for racial justice and gender fairness in the Kentucky courts. And she has been most interested in mentoring young lawyers and law students through the Brandeis Inn of Court. She is certainly most deserving of the Civility and Professionalism Award. She exhibits traits that make any lawyer in any party and any member of the public feel relaxed and comfortable in her courtroom. We are very glad to join with the LBA in giving this award, and to Judge Clayton, congratulations.
It's my honor to be a part of the presentation of the Judge Benjamin Shobe Civility and Professionalism Award to Judge Denise Clayton. I had an opportunity as a young lawyer to practice in front of Judge Shobe when he was a senior status judge, and I had an opportunity to practice extensively in front of Judge Clayton when she was on the trial bench. As my colleague Judge Simpson just stated, they were both known as icons of civility and professionalism in the court. But I think what goes understated when thinking of them both is the amount of mentoring, the guidance, and the wisdom that they were always willing to bestow upon young attorneys and young people in general. I was one of those young people. Judge Clayton was always a very instrumental figure in my development as a young public defender, as a young attorney in private practice, and even till today as a circuit court judge. Judge Shobe was someone who I always admired from childhood. I would hear the stories about his professionalism, about his demeanor, about the things he was doing behind the scenes in the community, and he is one of the individuals that inspired me to go into the field of law. Judge Clayton and Judge Shobe are both not only icons of professionalism and civility, but they are icons, period. They are leaders in our community. They have done great things for people throughout the Louisville community and within our legal profession, and I can think of no more worthy recipient of the Judge Shobe Award than Judge Clayton.
Hello, I want to thank Judge Charles Simpson and Judge Brian Edwards for their kind remarks. Thank you also to Brandeis American Inn of Court and to the Louisville Bar Association for bestowing the Benjamin F. Shobe Civility Award to me. I had the pleasure of knowing Judge Shobe as a child. Judge Shobe and my parents were college classmates, and he was always a kind and respectful person. As a young attorney, it was always a pleasure to go into Judge Shobe's courtroom because he always paid attention to what you said. He was respectful of everyone, and he was the most pleasant person who may ever rule against you, because after all, he was incredibly kind, but not a pushover. So I thank you again for this award, and I hope that those of you who have practiced before Judge Shobe will share his legacy with those who have not had that opportunity. Thank you.